Hey, have you ever thought about whether ghee or butter is healthier?
I actually have. It's like trying to choose between two best friends. What's the verdict?
Well, it's interesting because both are staples in cooking, but the health differences are quite intriguing.
Really? Tell me more.
So, nutritionally speaking, they have similar calorie content, but
Mm-hmm.
ghee is more concentrated in healthy fats.
Wait, so ghee has more healthy fats?
Yeah, exactly. Plus, ghee is lactose-free and
Oh, that's
casein-free,
big.
making it easier to digest for people with sensitivities.
So for lactose intolerant folks, ghee is the way to go?
Definitely. And ghee has more medium chain fatty acids which
Right.
provide quick energy. It's like giving your body a quick fuel boost.
That's awesome. But butter has its own perks too, right?
Absolutely. Butter is richer in conjugated linoleic acid or CLA,
Okay.
which may aid in weight management.
So butter might help with weight control?
Well, potentially, it's also rich in fat-soluble vitamins that support immunity like vitamins
Mm-hmm.
A, D, E, and K.
But ghee has those vitamins too, right?
Yes, but ghee has a slightly higher concentration of those vitamins, so
Interesting.
it edges out butter just a bit there.
So ghee seems to be winning so far.
Well, in some aspects, yes. Plus, ghee aids digestion by stimulating gut enzymes and supports
That's
brain
great.
function and memory because of the butyrate it contains.
Butyrate? What's that?
It's a type of short chain fatty acid that reduces inflammation and supports
Oh,
gut
got it.
health, which is pretty beneficial.
So ghee's got some serious health benefits.
Definitely. But let's not forget butter adds that creamy texture we all love, and it's a
True.
staple in many diets because of that.
Yeah, I can't imagine my morning toast without butter.
Exactly. And butter is also beneficial, providing those fat soluble vitamins we mentioned earlier, supporting immunity.
Right. But what about cooking?
Oh, ghee definitely takes the lead there. It has a higher smoke point, so it doesn't burn as
Important.
easily at high temperatures.
So for frying or sauteing, ghee is better?
Yeah, it's more stable at high heat, whereas
Makes
butter
sense?
can burn and create harmful compounds.
That's good to know. But I still love the taste of butter.
Me too. Butter's creamy texture and taste are hard to beat, so for
Exactly.
spreadability and flavor, butter is fantastic.
So it's kind of a trade-off depending on what you're after.
Exactly. If you're looking for better digestion and high heat cooking, ghee is your best bet, but if you crave
Right.
that buttery taste and texture, butter wins.
But isn't the difference in health benefits between them minor in the grand scheme of things?
Well, you could say that. It might come down more to personal dietary needs and preferences
Yeah.
rather than one being significantly healthier than the other.
So maybe we should just enjoy both in moderation?
Exactly. It's like choosing between apples and oranges,
Right.
both are good, just in different ways.
Well, that settles it. There's room for both ghee and butter in my kitchen.
Same here. It's all about balance and knowing when to use each one to get the most benefits.
Mm-hmm. Thanks for breaking that down. I feel like I understand the differences a lot better now.
Anytime, it's always fun to dive into the details and
Absolutely.
learn something new.